Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your hours played with individual games on your Xbox One. Now you want to go to your profile, you can press the Xbox button and then tab on over to your profile and select it. Then go to My Profile, then go on over to where it says Game. Then go on down and then find the game that you want to go ahead and see the hours played with. So I'm going to choose Minecraft. Then under here, on the left side of the screen, we want to go down to where it says Stats. Now we can see the current time played. So I only have 10 hours played in Minecraft on my Xbox One. On the Xbox 360, this does not show up or appear. Now, a cool thing is you can compare your times played versus other friends. So I'm going to go to time played right now, and then I can see my friends who also play this. So one of my friends has 81 days in Minecraft specifically, whereas I am ranked 34 on my friends list with only 10 hours played. So this is very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.